Eno niyo Kitara Girls nekuleterwa aba
Kawalega Resorts, Hoima. Your adventure starts with us.
Hamunaba
Cubs Juice. Taste the refreshness from the source.
Omukazi azire kuzaala okumulwa ebisabi kumuluma, you totally don't even care about her.
Yes, tugamba ba midwife abo, it's okay.
Nyobona, whatever the midwife or the nurse.
I'm also urging the government. Bantu nyalo obosanga na gloves zitali mu irwala.
Nanya abakazi omulala atwala genda plan for your pregnancy.
I know.
Okusanga omukazi atwairenda from day one tena na kantu.
Atala okutwalenda.
Government nayo neye muhereze plan for your pregnancy.
What if what if you're in that state you cannot even afford a cloth for your baby?
Nyoti ngenda gamba.
Kitara TV Kwegesa Kumanyisa
tubatangirira antekaniza yaitene ya bulikiro, of course nkabulikiro kya sabiti tula Kabalega Resort Hoima. We are the Kitara Girls. Mwebale kutugonza, mwebale kusubscribinga, mwebale kutufollowinga, mwebale kutugonze, mwebale kutoliki engonzi akafola ko katukozere kurungi niko kakutusasuza. So nkabulikiro, of course cafe webaleyo muwe webale mu wiki bale mwebintu
weekend ndozere bintakarora
mas abantu bajukiza muninga wa Kitara Girls.
Anyway, mwebale kuba Kitara Girls, mwebale kusubscribinga Kitara TV, mwebale kutugonza, mwebale kutoleka bojo love abantu batwendeze buliho kakuraba sivyanalata ali nalinka iwa kono rubatawo mu bakwenda tulubate basala
bagire tubamanyirengo tunakubaho buli omwali biyaye wengi
baitu weekend eno gibwe
ekintu kibanikyo kyenyini
omwana inabu alo mwana mutauna akwikara na woninga buli muntu
mali akumuoningira ajenyi ekole ntukia tena kuwoninga muntu kuluga musajja wawe nkabagamba musajja batito tunakuba baganda
baira bana bawoninga nkabierolera weekend eno okabo muisiri
nyawe ari kumalira yo kase mungu abayi
akaba muisire nyagamba ni wanu taga ngamba mbuwewe muntu
abakita soko tugamba
abikusoko
baita abana baisiki bojo leka abamuchape
abantu abamuntu nakubatera mugaruko emwenkebe habo kuba you over provoke us na mugena na beyond your limits ati nyobo kumanyira nja kuchapa Allen embose ntwagihulira
botaka bamuisiri
nyowe na abaloza abandi mutu yamwe
tujabanyumiza bagende ba subscribing bagende ba following ba commenting tujagaza topic next week. Allen bazogambira abantu abakota viral last week.
So bantu enyowe mwebale kutugonza ijweze nkagenda in one pharmacy bangamba ayo Allen bakahule iraka nyamugamba yes I'm Allen. Oh, thank you for the program Kitara Girls.
I know.
Bantu mwebale kutugonza last week ntasobole kubaho mimi mekabe nkwasire kandi nkamanta kwehura muna kurongi baitu ndoho
ogarukire
ngarukire nkongera kubasima mwebale kutugonza abantu baitu ninyo abaitu mwebale munno
abana batugondeze
gonza mu business zaitu mwebale
tuna mulingo tuyimukiremu
okuba customer na babutoza oli naija nkwende wigi chonkontwale no mwavivian ngule yo
abaiza bakasoma tuhagire on a serious note mwebale kutuhagira mutuhagire business sofa sente zibuzire baita abantu nyo mukutwoleka yango mukutuguraho. So we are really grateful and we appreciate. So back to our sponsors katwanza tukora akasente karango Ankabulikiro, of course it is Kabalega Resort, the main sponsors on this show. Kialero nchiremo kunywa kadawati. I have some flan cough. This dawati bakatekamu, I'm told bakatekamu is it lemon?
Mbaye ni manyaka juice.
Ya kadawati lemon ginger and some honey. Omanyire nsanyige tendi kurungi nenkohoro but obu nkanywa nkura obomezi bina munga nkura obomezi bisana kabugarukamu. So of course Kabalega Resort Hoima mwebale muno kutekamu sente na bamasindi. Kabalega Resort hana betulire tuhindwe maka section. We are the pole side ababa iro Kabalega, you know this section where we are, and for more inquiries bookings onekyo kwenda kumanya Kabalega oina omuntu okwenda kubookingira Kabalega oina inquiry yokwenda kufuna Kabalega oina staycation yokwenda kujja Kabalega obo oina birthday oina baby shower obo nekyo kwenda kuhabuza Kabalega Resort aba Hoima okusaba kubahikira 0393193860 aba Hoima kubasanga no kyaruga mu town nokyaraba maranatha muhanda gwa Masindi kilomita nkaina ha mukono gwa obulyo ojja kusanga Kabalega Resort Hoima aba Masindi okubasanga mukono gwa obulyo noruga Kampala obana ogenda Kampala kilomita nkaina kuga Masindi mu town still mukono gwa obulyo okusaba kubahikirira ha 0392 900 baterero bahabuze bibayina onekyo tamanyire onekyo kwenda ku finding out bayina services inungi bayina restaurant bayina tanka bahoima bana bayina spa section and by the way biro byokwezi mukago gwa kana tuinaho zumba and yes tuinaho zumba okubana saso emitwale ebiri no working out no funana ka healthy breakfast then after zumba tukwan switchinga her live band ekintu kiteremu sponsor Adiel Kaboyo Meya Mukamasitenu. So I want to Hoima Muije live band is free of charge. Muje mulie muje munywe muje mu relaxing muje musala masajo aguga mazire ni mukora ni mufuna buli mwezi tukachwa mukora kine kintu buli after first Sunday of the month every first Sunday of the month tujja kwaga na zumba na live band Kabalega Resort Hoima then aba Masindi Mwina live band every Sunday kandi kintu ky'abantu amasidi mukimanye bati kikubatanga kwijja Hoima first Sunday of the month mukatuhagira night of course aba Masindi last time tukabawanyi twabahagira so kase kwendo bayijukize our next sponsors on this show
sponsor baitu nko mbamanyire bano nko bumukarora kantu ka yellow oba red kona hameza hanu mwina kumanya ba cabs juice oboina mukoro oboina kyo oboina mbaga ka juice kabu kabakarungi baina every type of juice obo mango pineapple buli type ya juice yona bagina baina different shakes milkshake mango juice biro bino bakora na ice cream
bintu bino kabza bitemu amani
jeri tukaba into ya ice cream yabo nungi bakusangibwa Central Market no betaga namba yabo ya MTN eri 0 musanju kinana name anana isatu kinana naina nkaga na mkaga iwo wa Airtel wokuba no benda namba yabo eri 0 musanju 0 ananem atanu na isatu abiri na isatu 0 mugende mbahagire juice yabo eri nungi
naka delivery akakoraga
delivery hatukure juice zatuletera duka juice yona nebe kwasire kurungi
nyumba za musajja bwe bina kanteka ka daily juice kruga cabs koza manyire bintu byo nibyo nikyo kurora ebintu bino omusajja binkoleire I look good man. So yes Allen my girl.
Omusajja kubugura buli dakika.
Okyategereza omusajja nagenda kunagala. My man Bazori Jungu omaita tamunyoro. Speak English my man should listen.
Nyankola bokuba munyanko.
Bazori Jungu.
Munyankole.
Munyanko misa kufafagana nalo.
Ogo munyankole mpaka ali mix. Talipiwa munyanko tasabikoro.
I know. Ali mix munyanko ne munyarwanda by the way.
Okwehuro tahat.
Nterekerera omusajja anterema aka same time now fine.
Murwaire baitu bantinye kinyegere mu bobaira admitted. Ijwe nkagenda kurora Vivian. So bunabaini hanya baini ndaba nkaba ningena mu VIP so nyaraba pate nalo abantu
ababulikiro
kyonka bamba kabaho mukaza inenda na sasa bantu nyo mukazi oli nibaburabaho nyagamba bojo bantu nyo bintu biro binu ebyo kufa abantu bifokere mbona ina sente obono taina sente bantu Nobunyagambire nyayeta bambi I was concerned nyayeta nasi nyamugamba mukazi ono kana isa nakusasa kani mumuraba bojo nasaka ngamba ogwo muleke oba abakagamba takayikiro bati bantinywe mbaze abanansi abamu
teri nungi
bakusana ni basosora ebintu bya marwaro bikusana bigamba obokubota
na VIP tubajja kufwaho
utaina otomanyirwe mu town bantinywe it's really affecting mothers abakuzara gonza barwaire ndwaira zindi bakwenda mune sente
ati bo bakoleki bakwenda sente biro bine bitu bikwenda sente take an example no bogenda nka mu government hospital genda kukufwaho Oina kuba ina sente obo ina womanyire obo taboto ina womanyire trust me busagenda kufaaho so today tukwenda kubaza topic yegyo okusanga abantu like should I say public offices for example bank or banks hospitals
Even
Kale
hotels.
cutting across
it is generally
industries.
Exactly.
Hospitality industries.
Exactly.
Bito oba kiki oba mahoteli oba biki. Personally, I went to nkagenda hotel. Nyaikira reception. Umisiki, she was on her phone. Na abaza simuye. Not even on an office line. Mutu wamsanga office line.
That is business. That is business.
Koleka bambi that emirimo yakora yaki. Chonka kaba na abaza simuye. Umisiki abanza yantunura like. You people, omuntu woku bantu nyonga amamuna abantu twendege emirimo yaitu. Habwa personal ege hoteli. Nabwire buno omuntu angambire maybe bine tugamba this weekend Vivian tugenda ohan. I cannot recommend it.
Exactly.
Hotel yabu nungi baito omuntu ala front desk. Bantu nyo abantu.
Ata onyo kabalege kubasingira, kabalege resort onyo kubasingira. Ebintu tebina era I've not had complaints because I always get calls like Vivi, I want to go to Kabalega, do me a booking, do me this, you know, I want to talk to the director. But most of the clients, I've not heard them complaining about services in Bia Kabalega. So, ale nikwenda ogambiro muntu about this public office thing. When it comes, you can talk about the hospital, you can talk anything.
So, nyowenja kutandikisa like banks.
Okay.
Muntu ogenda mu banka, obundo opanda obo charity tumanyire
Busoma.
Kumanyisa ki. Yeah. No habuzo omuntu no mugamba nkwenda kinu. Na soka na kuzimora.
I know.
Okusanga omuntu wena azimbira asibire sumbusa nkazifuniwa mubihize.
Okay, tegereze kintu
eki. Hotels. Osanga omuntu wena azimbire kimu. Nikyo kimu na hairwaro. Ati nkagana marwaro ga government obauna OPD nambero kwikira manyafuna namba manyaki kastoba kakuroroli mukana ka kicha nibagena nibavurugayo nibagenda bakurora burorambe nibakurora burorambe nibakurora nkendoma ati omunaku akola ata kale omuntu atene sente zikumara akola ata yeyamba
abantu ba government especially abakora mu government abakora marwaro mwesotinga you guys mukusasura because we are supposed to come and get we get mukusasura because we are supposed to come and get services from you. So if any client come, because this is your boss by the way, bana abantu abamujoga, these are your bosses. Omukaza izire kuzara okumura ebisabi kumuruma, you totally don't even care about her or kumuraba. Which kind of nonsense is this? This is why people are losing lives. You know, I've been at I've made some research at the hospital government. People are losing lives, especially abakazi abakuzara na newborn kids. Abana bakufa omuntu no sinikoma na kurungi just because no one has attended on you, no one has given you that care. The kid is, you know, the kid goes, or else Zaire, you over bleeding. You're supposed to get the service from these guys, and you forget in government kubasasura you people to save our lives, to save the community. But at the end of the day, mukujumo mkaza inenda. At the end of the day, you're treating us like trash. You guys need to style up because the government is paying you for this. You know, we don't want to expose you, but if the time comes, we shall expose you. We are not going to keep losing people's lives just like that. And you guys are there. We are going to expose you, and the public should know because we know our voice reaches so far. Exactly. So you either style up and understand. If someone dies, she or he never comes back, you guys. Omuntu obafafuire. But omuta izire, she's bleeding. Omuta, for example, there's an accident I saw. Omuta have an accident mukati yao. Nkanduka mara nasa visiting omutabani wange. That was on Saturday. Baka twakabasanga niba muteka pikipiki mwiruki ya bomba. Nya following up that's how I made the research about the thing. Nya following up this guy, umoja agenda hairwaro, but umoja hikire hali bakumusindika manya mu emergency room, umoja ku bleeding, omutugo na guijure omusai, and these nurses are looking at them. So this came an incident like basindika obuno students of nursing. Nibakora homo John. Chonga this boy's life is going. I was so pissed actually to an extent. You understand? So nyonga na exposing the medical workers who don't really care about people's lives. People are dying every day, you guys. Someone has gotten an accident. You don't even care about them. Why? Someone has come to give birth. For example, because of bahikire kuzara, I just pay nigga too much, you know. The labor pains are too much. A woman would know what, if a woman knows, like my fellow woman, you know what the labor pains are. Because najana sasa, and she feels like she's ready to push the kid. I mean, so hey atikire omwana kwenda kupenetrating akuturuka. You look at her, you're sending her these nursing students. You're seated. These nursing students are not being paid. You understand? Bakusasura iwe. Go save someone's life. You went in for this course knowing you're going to save our lives.
Exactly.
At the end of the day, you are not saving anyone's life. The baby is losing their life. Her mother is dying.
One thing I know about our midwife abali mu government, not all of them, but abantu wakuroro izire no enda kuzaara or like izire okusaasa kimaye bakurora nkabadde
Miss Call, they don't even they don't even want to know.
You guys bojo bantinyo nyowe tingenda kubaza manyo numanya
I am going to expose whoever is in a government hospital and you're not taking care of people's lives. I am going to expose you because I am on grounds doing research. And trust me, I'm not going to expose anyone without proof. I will expose you with proof. You guys are going to lose your jobs if you don't style up. Because government... No. Yeah, we are going to expose you because Alan, the government knows it's paying you guys. Chonkawo kugenda halo kasange mirambe ijwire hali yabana na bakazi na accidents. Eri nyingi. Why? People are crying because they don't have voices of speaking. They are voiceless. And we are here to encourage anyone, Boma, or whatever hospital it is for government, and no one is attending to you. Please look for me. I'll help you. Leka to expose him abantu musevena kusindike sente. Every month you guys are being given good money and you don't even care about us. If you feel like you do not want to work, leave this position. Zabana ba nursing abamaze nursing abayikalire, there are so many out there. Let them also work if you feel like mujwaire kolera abantu. But mbatulekanga bakuyamba buyamba.
Government nayo it's also cutting across even na government kuteka equipment zona marwaro. Yes tugamba ba midwife abo it's okay.
Nyobona whatever the midwife or the nurse.
I'm also urging the government. Bantu nyalobo osanga na gloves zitali mu irwaro. No,
you buy them, Catherine. There are things you need to provide. Catherine, you're going to provide certain things to save your life.
Abantu abataina capacity eyoina. Oli nagenda mu irwaro amanyire agenda kusanga gloves. Nkaira as an example no juma.
Panado bikebyo.
Chonka ati bamugambire manya kwate papuro gendo gule mibaze eno. Bantu nyo na government ina providing for those
services. So okyoko na gamba government tesasu.
Oja kwesanga midwife. Taina kyokozesa kyona gonza nobukupimaki nobukoraki atagenda kwetaga.
So kino kigaruka government they should provide equipment and medicine for people.
They should make also the midwives happy in hospitals.
So you mean so the government is not making these guys happy?
You people tingenda kubaza government tingenda koraki. I'm not attacking the government, but I'm saying it should cut across between the government na bakoraka bakora marwaro. Leka itwana tuikale in a happy environment. In that midwife nawa ina every equipment yekwetaga kunkoraho. Chonko kwesanga na kugamba linda ho cause nyonka kirorao it wasn't on me but ngokogenda kuroro muntu mwe linda tutwine kigenda mukebera bikibagenzere kireta. So no sangamba abantu abo tibaina all the equipments. The necessary equipment.
So then this goes back to the government. They should provide equipment for the public.
Iwe bogamba mumanya babahereza good money. Osano kusanga abantu abo nibamarane myeze nati basasula.
By the end of the day they're paid.
But after
all the months you're not
professional,
yes.
You're supposed to put that aside because you swore that you're supposed to
save
someone's life.
Exactly. You're supposed to save my
you
life.
Need to put your
whatever problems the government not paying you, whatever it is, and not save the mother of the baby's life.
That let them attend to the what?
To the
patients.
It's a must.
They should do.
Chonkana nyekingambire no mwirwaro mu equipments tibaina zo kurunge bikwetagibwa nabo babayambeho nuko Emirimo eyangu Allen.
So okulala kintu kindi kafe nyoka nyongera point aye. Nenya abakazi omulatu alagenda plan for your pregnancy.
I know.
Okusanga omukazi atwairenda from day one. Miezi musanje hikira tena na kantu.
Atalo kutwarenda.
Government nayo neye muhereze. Plan for your pregnancy.
What if what if you're in that state you cannot even afford a cloth for your baby?
Nyote ngenda gamba.
No, Allen, come on. Allen, not everyone can afford your life,
Nibanze muhole. Nyowe tingenda gamba mbu manyo muntu ina planning irendo inakora ki not everyone ina capacity.
That's what I was saying.
There are people tukugenda kumpaka na
kufunda kuzara
babagamba muinagenda
nabyo bojo bimbuzire tinyi nabyo
timbi nabyo I know.
Iwa aleno kusaka kuboina twino busobozi bugamba mbunja kuzalira nkanja chonko omuntu ondi wa hansi tainabo bait nabo tikikumwiha okufuna services eirwa mbabo kuba munako baina kumu bamulolera bayina
kubaho n'akantu
watishakaina haliyo omuntu akugakiya bigambire wamanyire aina kuja kuzaara buzaara
bakunjulira Vivian busawo mukaza kusagenda mwirwaro ataina kasuuka
oba kana baketa no kama makita kaleke
ogonze
baby receiver buno bunanka buno buvera bokubyamaho those things they are essentials like a woman you cannot fail to have
no gonzo oli munaku boje nyobora aboli munaku batoli munaku muzale
bintu bya tuna kuzaala
never know tomorrow so
abo ne bagenda kwa president wanyi
mboli munaku toina kintu manyole mekuzaara zaara because at the end of the day you need kids
toina plan for your pregnancy kandi nyoka tenkugamba muleke gumya gazaara ngo abokwa mwina kuzaara at the end of the day
enyinendezo bazibubiri
ya nyinena muzibubire bokuba no rantingu
omusajja okuzaala aja kufura single mother
exactly
enyinenda geso fake
kandi abaisikimu kuloraga signs and symptoms of being a single mother ni mugenda bugenda mbo mai
tikiriki a single mother ekintu ekyo kikatinga cross obumugamba mubanze mumanya tububire enda nyina bana zaitu mpaka tubanze turole banti nyo nomusajja munaka kwenda kuzaara abakazi bona tuli bayingi abasajja banaku bali bayingi iwe bora ofunira omusajja wa whether they are poor
kandi omusajja munaku mwaka zala
atali buli mwaka
no habuzo okuzara nkakawe kam you're giving birth like rabbits
banti nyankigamba oba omusajja wawe munaku oba bikiboje banti nyo
no they should buy the cat they need to plan
abantu baba ne sente no taba na mirembe
no,
they need to plan about having kids
be generous
atitikirina banti nyenda nyenda kujumira abantu abakwezalira abana
omusajja kuzalemu mwana okubanza kunagira bagawe nyoka mba example mukyaro kyo white oko nkimanyire no video ejja kuhika abo kwa bandura munoni banga matuko bwe negative aliyoko muisiko mukyaro kyo white agenda na omusajja namutweka namubingana kyanagaruka nazaliro muwabo nakyomwana nakula nakyanagaruka inamutweka
atogo musiki akengo akwenda kumuchapa kumgaza mwenkebe how do you even do that
exactly so likyo gamba tikuligamba ngo kuzara it is comparison mpaka mwina kuzara
you meant to give birth
kyo kuzara muno
no it's not comparison it depends on your situation
yekingamba bayisiki muleke kulinda muleka abaisiki muleke kulinda manyo musajja ofune mugayiga personally some of us me nyobo jonta zale ndi mu like when I have all the capacity to do everything ebirungi byona binsangire nzaire
the man has to be no
ebirungi byo na personally nyowe ebirungi binsangire nzaire
nyonyo kabanza
ino musajja for example boyfriend Vivian kankugambira omusajja kukolekeza kimu red flags ziri zonyini kyonko kwehayo
okuteganya nenda mpake blue
na
who told you mbogena kipinga omusajja when you have his kid you will cry and suffer
banti nywele kamba gambire men are unpredictable Vivian have I ever spent a dent akikugambira Allen
men will leave you
Vivian banzoleke omusajja ja wenyini kwe Vivian kafe mpo mwana bojo men unpredictable no kwatana omuzaara no galia amanankana no mwana wao no chura no mwana wao
men will leave you in the desert where there is no water
bojo saba kama kwerezo omusajja akenga baitu woga manyambo omusajja onanyolekeza kwenda omwana kamuzaara men abasajja bakabokuza
haro scenario imtawu naho omusikyo no 20 bazaho aino mwana omwana inabayisenka batano tamanyire the real dad omwana akubamira kuno Vivian rike musajja wange you even don't know the dad of your kid you also shouting with me who knows the dad of my kids
now one of the dads akutererege bule esimundo
you know so this girl abana babe mama na styling up umugena ndi mutegane hati I had the story bagana batego buntu bwabo I was told akabya manono mguno mwezi haraba like 2 days ya manono haraba like 3 days ya manono haraba like 4 days ya manono hati yafuna sponsor ali mugayigana nuwa yasibenda but the fact is na sponsor taliki
mukamuwenda
yes so ati norora abana bayisikira ebintu bibakoteka mu bana you know stupid annoying things omwana nabayisenka batano but uli mwana isaga mangu leto mwana mutwali amusite akoraki because you don't know even who the dad of your kid is
ekyo kutamanya mwana nyekyo nkihakana omukazi bantinyo omukazi gonze bojo nyombya I'm not saying I can do it but nkoko baino gambe story yo mwisikogo gonzo bya mino no muntu lero na nyenkyo kabya manondi you know bantinyo
kafe you can't Kathy Kathy, let's be realistic. Let's be realistic, Kathy. Never. Obyamina basajja bana mu biro bisatu. Basajja na bana mu biro bina. You cannot, honey. Ruhanga ni wakuyamba. Kathy, these men are all, I swear, these men are all going to pour these things in you. My God. Okasanga. Kathy, Alan tubewa stick obyamina basajja bana mu biro bina. Okusa kumanya semwana omwana wawe. Mpaka ozaire. Nyate kinkoro kumara kuzara nkuchabura byone bisajja bibisoke nimba chabura obusoke. Nitwara omwana musajja batabe kumutwara.
It's just unfortunate.
Buli muchazi sayija nkumuya akasoke nikazingaga nimpandikaho onu Julius onu Maka onu Henure onu Robert onu bona buli musu nzingaga. Nkubali bayihaho tuli mulavu ningenda ha musai
omuntu okubazaho ali muntu maybe I don't know ali muntu akuwenaga kyonka nyo nkubaza ha muntu whereby if I let's say mbiyamle nabasajja babiri oba wamanyiro
there you know but ono mwisiki
nabuli omayino mulinda
ono mwisiki akabiyama nabasajja batanu non-stop days or consistently days consecutively days. So today, tomorrow, Biona, ati wakuraki, tukutunda legi for survival. Certain Rambo, she's so she's putting a kid in this situation like omwana wewe nyita kumana naise and no wonder the boy is still young. I feel so bad. So it is really hurting me like Omuzaire because me I'm a mother and I am a proud one. I feel bad like at that age you're putting your kid in a scandal. Omusajja kupangisiriza enju Allen. Oba kupangisiriza enju ochire mu kuswera omusajja osuye mu kuswera Julius kumuteka mu nju yawe.
What?
Hata omusajja aija akusanga Julius alimu. Ati Julius akagamba ati nyowe akangamba okamuleka horolera mbo omwana. You understand? So obule buhika omusajja kugamba nkwenda okomemu nuna nyowe ngunyowe nunkali mudupa manya biki kwegamba stupid things.
Banu
bakubaitira ganyo ketegereze. How do you carry a man and bring him in a man's house? Which kind of a man cannot take in a hotel on his room?
Exactly.
You know, why would I?
Akagenda DNA yasanga omwana we myaka 10 mutali wayi.
Nyowe ndekale.
Yakwata omukazi ya musiba hamiguha. Yakwata esigiri.
Yamukujagira.
Oh my God. Mabere gonna gasiri.
This is too much. Because they are lying.
Exactly.
Nyowe kintu
Ndoma nikyo ngambe nyagamba nebisajja bimwe bikwehugira amagezi buno busigasigaza obukwe nababuteke mwobo bajja kubacha pembi nyowe bajja kubacha pembi and don't come crying for me. How do you carry your legs and come in my man's house? Kathy, real men by the way, you can't even sleep on someone's bed. Kathy, you need to be a man. You need to be a man.
Kinu nkibagamba ndi mukazi tingenda kwebazaho birungi tingenda kubaza abakazi birungi just because I want to please the public. Abakazi nakyo tukore ensobi. Omuntu agenda kunkwana ngira omusajja wange asasura rent. Azisasura. Nifuna yo muntu ondinanga ambakasolo otabikibiki ambunyikara nyenka okuhura.
Togirana musajja you are single.
Very single amdala.
Omuguhoire nkwasire simu. Mbu hello mbadde njagala emitwala anadya rent. Omusajja muhyaka akwasira kozere
asikuhaire.
So bwakwija muhoima where do omusajja
where do expect? No, he will come at home because he's contributing the part of your rent.
Yes,
okay, tegereza. Nimugasereka ne boxani musereka.
Yes.
Obumalaya abana babukozera tauni hano.
Anyway, ngenda kublaminga mukazi wena. Iwe bakukwata niwe okumanya.
Budoma. Banye tinkabo ine malaya tandoma nko musikiono. Bamalaya babagezi. Bamalaya babagezi. Bano malaya ndoma yenyini.
Obona kutaya abasajja munana munju bimukwata wona samile nuwamanyira kubiha mata. Oba kumukwata niwe wakumanya. Chonka mukazi ina capacity kuraza bakazi oba basajja bayingani wakumanya.
Yote sakuraza musajja munju musajja wange honestly.
Na abasajja nibo bamu ati nyongira neiba wange babaraza norramu bukiraro.
Abasajja it is okay. Men is okay. Men will always bring in girls differently in the house.
Hey mama.
Gender equality.
No gender equality.
Gender equality chonka abasajja bano okwesanga abasajja
A woman can do better. So Kathy will bring every hour.
I know that is not me. Baitu nkubaliriza nkomusiki mubaini abasikanka abo. Oba kwaba mukwasire mudoma. Okura. Chonko wakuba yendeze mukajuka ako. Kandi babujobo. Kabusajja bujo butyo bonosanga abana
abaneiba bakutunulire
buli kiro aleta buli kira ku
and by the neighbors also start counting men you're sleeping with
eh kiswaza muno baneiba kurora
bakubalira abasajja
at the end of the day I'm not going to crucify those girls baitu bantinywe those things hatogenda kwesanga rundi naise mwana mumanyire chonka the public knows 6 men niyo otere mu mbere gyo abakuba okabibaza gamba abasajja mukaga bono bayiho gase chongoja kwesanga bona bakwirukire naise mwana wenyina
kwirukire kula basikiti mukwenda kusaraho
sibakwenda kusaraho
musajja kuja na kukwana no kimutingira musajja
nyobo kunkwa na bire bunu I will tell you I have a man you either stay and be a second man or you go
boje kinu kanke baze hambeho nyowe boje bantinyo abasajja baloko manyo genda kuja kukwana kafe manya nkusobole nyowe ngiro musajja boje bintu bya kuvuganya
arasinga baramuramo
musajja
arasinga kuteka musente
murwane muno arantwara very open proposals
so you are now on open platform
just sing and ready to mingle
Kathy yet we are going to give we are going to introduce you very soon
yes omukoro nkimanyira kuri chonka nikiwa
you people are lying mujoge
ready to mingle
okay let's talk about abantu abaija kubyama naitwe let's talk about abantu ababyama naitwe ngo batukole bitukwenda
by the way
someone told me talk about this issue
ekintu kinu like for example umuntu ali mu industry kampereze example like Julius you are in this entertainment industry obundi nyowo obandi muzino bankwenda something obankwenda aka interview obaki no jano gamba soko mpeho
abakuba Julius oli brand na TV yawe ya Kitara
nibo nkolere kiyo kwena mazia kubyama na nyowe
Julius kana takura isoke mpaka kabikora
you people why are you doing that but why are you doing that
wacha wewe
so kusanga na organization ezimu still the same kani yade takusabire kyonkana amanya ntingu like for example Julius ina connection ekusa kumpike mu avivi no yendora be muri Julius na gamanyo oti nsobora kukuyamba mkwendo mpereze sent borano yenda lete mitwara 5
you can imagine no sana taku otali mu na Uganda mugenzi wao
yeah what is happening outside there mukona tukoleki bantu inye bintu polipo manya polipo babikiro what you want us to do really
I know
kinskeno kimbe he I will not mention a person but I needed some help from that person honestly the person
so you're a victim
the person told me if you want me to help you on this you have to sleep with me
tell me his name I expose him to the public
so
I will expose ngena kwata aleni angambia I will expose you that no sense to stop
Viviana jabi exposing aga one by one
so I told that person it's okay don't help me let me stay where I am
ekaruki okukwana kurungi agambale nikankukwana kutekema kasente naiwe nko mukazi ohyo ikirize you know omuhe kurungi oyendeze but just you not help me because
I think I cover mwite tukajuaha all those tricks we know we are going to fall we are not falling victims yeah.
they are going to play around with these other girls
kana ko wewe kana ko weke fora kanye fore batunya kuimira
yes Kathy what do you talk about that people want
kubaza halekyo one thing you should always never kazi mbagamba muno omusajja sigara ali musajja men will always want to explore kinu nkibagamba ntagenda kuba oyizire ku mugambe kinti gonza tagya kuyamba okuhura na kugamba nyonge akora byawe twitirane hano so kigaruka aliwo mukazi nkondi nka Aleni we aina obwongo bukusa kwanga
kukuturninga down
akamanya mbu this
Mission
man
ya yeni
chonka aloho mwisikata agenda akoraki
ali mu bwetaago
mumanye that is a trend abasajja we wakarore
atalina mbwetaaga jagara inaenda akiri kambia
kujo nayenda kubyama naye wenyenke akublockinge utatekereza agyakuyamba so nanyo abayisiki sometimes obuzano bunu mugende numumanya mutagenda kandi kurambu manya kambya mena nkole kintu
ukasemerera nankankwa inegansa bire
abasajja basigara bali basajja nobuturabibaza otutabo je musajja sigara ali musajja ayesemeza maiso g'abantu personally nyala abantu bamanyire obwo abantu is a different picture bojo bwaba halo muntu nyo wumanyire in that holy bojo we in fact even agenda na have you bana abanekolera jange he can even bargain
hamudara omukuru agenda na temesa mudara
okamuga
ngokubaza kwaira asatu
yampaira Saturday
producer wako bihabuza ati manye producer no wegero rugamba ate byobiyirinka
yampaira
mwaira asatu kanti Nyumya story
yabaina nankwana
obaina atakia bijuka
omuntu ogwo alivinga fake life okumwijuka
babi ulire
ogwa kona kwa simba baitu owangena murabi ya mwegali
olyokere wa munyidukiza mbungu kwenda leka nsindikira akalanchaho omanya kalancha kansindikira zinga mitwara 3 chonka mukangira no mukazi wetaina na kiyoko
nawe nyina yeremeta kusakwerolera ngokwenda kudupa kasengo kwenda kumuteka musingi
nyoke tikisoboka like okulora baito muntu ogwa kan shocking halivinga fake life muno muntu lero kando
ngena kumuturu kyogo mojo agenda kwesimbaho ogenda kwesimbaho ngokwenda kwesimbaho empiki kube chali tugenda ku exposinga iwe nyamba gambire ne shonge na kubabya buwabya
iraba mbolinka
tikubaze ibarabati oyekengere
ndi mutaoni hano na munywani wange Vivian hano mbo kankutwekere mitwara 3 ago munyo hakala muri
akala abakubanja bali oli hano kusindikira kase mitwara 3 okwenda kumwiba kase
Rojo bantinyo baita lekingamba abasajja bano before they portray different
they give another picture when they come to women
musajja yefora responsible agenda mudara naramuza
aina kutemesa natemesa gumukichweka akwisana bataki kabatemeseza mudara 15 12 Nyonga producer yo mpaka otemesa muliwo waruge mukafumo mpaka kuzoka otemesa producer yo tosa kuba oku
baitu wa Julius Saino rukutemesa era wewe wa
kana ulaga me kutemesa kuba kurungi omakuru business ekangiraho
kwa alaba bikora chonka ona yeforera kimumbu we mu
takusobora
kirire bantinywe kandi ogo wa Julius wonyujukiza a living a fake life muno
nyakugambo ogwo ngena kusoma ibara lya shega rukawo
nkuterere mtwara 3 baitu nkwenda gena weekend otindo nkwenda gendo bonyine motoka yange yintumisa
yabana motoka nakakali ko mule matoka ina nguyo kukwana kathi nyabura ngura isimbabwa empiki kube iwe ngenda kusoma wiki yokuja list nyawe katukaruke back on the topic of people who want to use us people who want to use us to get us what they want katuanza tugendo mukuhumura hao tufune ya lunch kuruga Kabalega Resort of course nkabulikiro Kabalega Resort ni hoteli na Cubs juice okubasanga Central Market baina smoothie baina Josinka ba mukoro ogwa Hanifa Cubs juice okono yabaide one of the service providers enjure kamutera baito moja na mulingo yahimbire mu account wako yakamutwalira by the Cubs on a serious note you guys need to give Cubs money this guy is doing good things and katakojo karungi bambi katakana kengeso he's so good mumuhe center abantu ba hoima abantu ba bunyoro wherever you are Cubs can always be at your services kali nyonko na kibayijukiza bulikiro omusajja kanteka akajuice akalita my man thank you so much Hana I love you so much so katuhumulemu tugaruke na kabozi kaitu wako
Discover your home away from home at Kabalega Resorts, Hoima, located just 4 kilometers from Hoima City on the Hoima-Masindi Road. A real resort in an eco-environment, nestled near the stunning Albertine Escarpment and historic Mparo Royal Tombs. We are the perfect blend of convenience and charm. Treat yourself to our cozy rooms, mouth-watering meals at the restaurant, and refreshing moments in our outdoor pool. Whether you're here for business or leisure, our conference facilities, camping grounds, and fun-filled kids' playground are ready for you. Escape, relax, reconnect at Kawalega Resorts. Hoima, your adventure starts with us. Book today.
Tubatangira mwebale yo mukuhumuraho okwo mwebale yo mukalancha kutukuruka ku having akalancha Kabalega Resort nkabulikiro katubanza tukurira kasimbi kabakama baitu abakabalega Resort Hoima na Masindi abahoimo kubasanga kilomita nkayina noruga Muhima town okyaraba Maranatha mkono gwa gobuli no Masindi Road okusaba kubahikira 0393 193860 then abamasindi okubasanga kilomita nkayina noruga Masindi mutano ogenda Kampala Road kilomita nazo nkayina mkono gwa gobulyo okubahikira abamasindi 0392 900 baterere simu obainiki okwenda kubookinga okwenda ku inquiring anything ekiyotamanyire okwenda kuhabuza ekigenda ekiri aground abamasindi kubayijukiza buli every Sunday sahe mpaka saha ina baba na live band Akabalega Resort saba Hoima bilwe kwezi mukago gwakana kijja kuba kya sabiti ekikubanza omumwezi tujja kuba na live band Hoima branch tuinaho na zumba kubona sasowe emitwalo 2 ntukorayo ntukuhana health breakfast so abantu bahema muje mu bwingi ona nambere mukali tusale emibire egyo kandi tukakichuzinga ngo buli kya sabiti ekikubanza mu mwezi tujja kuba na live band na zumba with cutters of Brian Lord Mayor adiere mukamasiteno. Yes, Kathy. Banzo jukuza another sponsor on board.
Sponsor wa itondi bamweta Cabs Juice nkabulikiro ka juice kanu kumuka rora ka kunura aina nebikusinga hano. Okay. Aina milkshake za buli type, aina mango shake, aina milkshake. Then you know bula baira bakatanika na ice cream. Ice cream yaberi nungi kwegamba bokuboino mukoro Cabs Juice you're well covered bulikimu kyona kyo kwetaga
no boko boina yakapateka omwana ice cream akusagi delivery nga
bonze na itwatintwe nkaba amaduko sanga no muterera delivery ngira hano juice
ngena mu hakali mwana kundetera juice ntulonkinga the style hub niko abantu ekintu tukiteka event
bojo mu musagike juice yenungi abakusangibwa aho Hoima Central Market enamba yabo MTN 0781 43 8466 kangi garuke 0781 43 8466 Airtel yaberi 07041 53 230 nayo kangi garuke meri 0704 15 3230
nakadu kankarabiyo kabekanyebe Cabs Juice angambirege haraba service provider batakwenda kusasura yangamba agenda kumpa amabara ganyo bokubo manyire Cabs Juice akakukoro omukoro yasigana kubanja akasente ke please pay him hati bagia kulemesa abagola abamu abagia kujina gamba Cabs nko ile mitwaro kinana emitwaro 5 ngakwagundaga kwa after the function mukuitira abagenzi banyemigisa please pay this guy omoja nebinge bimulegira ngamba kiyalo mbayini mutera ku mugamba ebintu bya juice ino tuna ebamba iskiba kunyo ngamba Cabs don't forget to deliver you know bwiro bukwate tunakuba Kabalega in time being that it's a Sunday yangamba vivi I have a problem nyambo kinda bizo people don't want to pay me people don't want to pay service providers nina abantu benkubanja tinkwenda tibakwenda kunsasura era bokubo manyire Cabs kubanja I don't want to read your name here because nja kusoma ibara nekiro kyakozera omukoro gwane sente za kubanja hati kulinda obumu nokutaita brand yaye let us you guys pay him
mukutoza nankamu
ndi bakunya mu bitokeke bakupanga mu bitokeke so nka tubaye tubaza topic yeri Allen tubaye tubaza topic ya customer care thing we need to go so details about it so nkona tugidiscussing however much nyumba intabalizeke ya money kirao nkona lera buli bona man tugateke ha abakozi for example tuina businesses Allen oli mukozi mu company emu.
Yeah.
Me and Kathy we have businesses. Tukwenda tubaze abakozi abatukuha emirimo oba Allen iwe kinu kiraliwe by the Allen. You are victim. Abakwaba kukozesa nambere okola okwo. Habwaki mutaina customer care habwaki ni mutwara kubi e business zaitu habwaki mutakutubalira kumanyangu vivi arabire kuraba are struggling so much kurango vivi this collection yemereire you know the style habukuba somewhere habwaki ni muita e business zaitu habwaki ni mutulimisa kufuna akasente habwaki ni mu blocking emihanda bakasoma kuja kusupporting Allen nkondo bazan songegi
nyowenka nyonka Allen ndi mukozi baitu ntakagenze deep haleke nyonka nyo alona mberi ntagenda mukamwe business alo no bumbanyi ne kinte kinkwena soka kutira mukamwe business bwakuba ataliyo tinkugenda yo habwaki abo kubanka genda yo mukozi yanyole kyanguwe wamani muno wakabibike bintu nkebi ketegereza kandi oirombe tinkwenda mekubaza nyo waroho namberi ntagenda business egyo kandi etunde bintu bikwako na wetinja kubazaho nyandi bayo mukozo ni mubaze ibara baitu tinja kubaza
baza habwaki omanya baki Allen mukama business tamanyire hari kiki example nyo tindo ha business nyina kaisikanka wa
no me what I do I call the owner
okay.
ni mukama this and this is what
that's
happens.
what you're supposed to do
exactly.
because it when kama business we are always off and on we do not know these girls are doing these things in our businesses okay
so I can take in me as a professional worker I have 4 years experience in hotel industry
okay
I started working with Kabalega Resorts. One thing I learned is that inyo abakozi ninyo munage business oba ninywe
abatukolera sente
ababakolera sente rather nyowe Vivian Namberi ndi customer kuterera na kugamba oliyo nije ndie oba njembi ame hata boko wa murabize kube of course
tajagaruka
exactly ero sanga na recommending na gabane number yawe bike bintu nkebe because you treated the person very good
so hati nkwendo yigeso omwana ataina customer agensere kyali yagururwe mwange tagarukire omwisikoga ina kuhinduramu atakura customer go still agarukire I want you to give them some ideas
kubanzo bokubo tuziro ine bizibe naku yawo musajja akudamuirege
okay
kwate naku yawo bisige hagate obo musajja akuchawire gobaki akunagira gabana enaku yawo gisige hagate obeno okuraba jungu bana bakyatusinga muno busawo muntu akiro mujungu kufekinga smile buli haloka murora na ateka ho let us fake smiles for customers ege smile you don't know what it will brighten how it will brighten the other person's day so nakutugireke hageti oleke ku embera yawe kugiteka mu business yo muntu like arona abantu bana abagira ngo like for example kurora ali murungi muno like for example ete tukoroma hotel oba omusajja kaijaho yakukwana for example atobwa akukwaine mwagena mwekozele yakuchawe hati kajaga no muntu ondi wewe
noteka mu feeling kano yabero oli mukozi akakunena bunena yakose akaba ya hit and run akoleki
nogena no biteka
simukya na break ya maguru bajja kubabinga muno
nogena biteka mu feeling omusajja nakutuma room service no yanga oba bundi nkarura ka scenario omwisika kaba waitress boyfriend waya alesero ndo muisiki manya boyfriend akabataki manyango omwisika korao omwisiki manya akasaba juice omwana nagena amteramo omunyu instead of it
bado obungira nkunyege mukama mpaka bakubingire ate wakaba pasono ehali you forgetting oli mu business young you spoiling my brand you know
omusiki ya screaming oh my god juice bagitere musukala atom omojo kwe kuroro ndo musika kagamba call me the person who served ya kugenda kusanga
ka girlfriend ike na basajja bamala betu iki
omusajja akabaza akagamba bugambolo wale sele baby I'm sorry about that omusajja
yakaferamu yamanya omala ya muikiza kunyuse mwana bande juice ali mu munyu
exactly bintu bino kila muno bakubiko biri ma hotel ya kane
not only even in my hotel even in a companies like Irwaro obunkwanyizire for example omusajja wange like omusajja akunkoraho akanyendaho how should I say it like doctor akabaho a boyfriend wange but aina naso wakwana you know it is so common like these guys in the hospitals they date yes all the organizations they date themselves being that they are so they spend a lot of time together hatiyo kisanga unyonyize mu Irwaro and doctor kuhandikira mibazi musajja wange you're supposed to okundabya mu mibazi weno okujja okunchumita kikanula okidubura budubura because you know you understand I'm his girl and you are forgetting you are kunena bunena because you're spending most of the time with him.
Exactly.
Hati no chumite kana kino no nduburoke kubanza nikibure kinyo kandi nyongere binyo bikubura no ndubure cyakasatu nkiyanga hati nyonja kuchapori because you're messing with my life nja kukatura
You know, let us try
let us be professional,
more professional. Yeah, feelings tuziyam businesses abantu nkengeni nkagamego benjale kuruma obaki hati like for example ekinta abensonga bakenja agenda muno ma hotel abakuba nyoni.
That's where you work, you have experience.
Like for example obundi obwire bwao bwokora burabiro ate burabiro ba customer baije olimo kwekana customize ro muterero he face wewe
ozimbagatayin
wena ozimbagatayin okire sokoko wena
but forgetting a sentence customer na lesson zo zikusasura. So you guys forget that.
Let us learn to be more professional and of course flexible. Mubano tanika kukora na kampana gakira ga signing agreement
appointment letters, terms and conditions. Exactly. You know, by the nanyowe abana bampe Emirimo biro bino, I just don't wake up and give you a job. I interview you. After giving an interview, I give you my terms and conditions. What are the terms and conditions? Mkukwenda muri musaha ibiri.
Exactly.
Emukichweka the latest saha ibiri. Emukichweka kuba reporting. So you're leaving my workplace saha ina. So those are the terms and conditions of my company. So every company, like Kabalega Resort has its own company. You and Ambero Korea, they have their own company. There are rules and terms and conditions. Now you can say kwenda tugambire. Omukozi, which advice would you give a girl child out there? Akwenda kufuna muri mu business yawe.
Ati nyowe kyange kitasimpo muno. Nta muntu like nyendo mukozi amindinga their business.
Okay.
Nyendo mukozi amanyire ntuzira duka lya kathe ntahire muduka tinyendo mukozi nkusange oli maduka gabando ikaliro
akuzunga zifazo we habuza we haja kuzunga
inensi yona alikuli oli no rugambo kutwara kina
akubaza na watu akubaza nabo. You know,
abakozi mwe be on duty kara station yao.
Exactly. Know what has brought you on main.
Hati nyo personal omukozi wanga bayisabira inakubaizi.
So those are your terms and conditions.
Bayisatu nataha. Aina kipingo with being too neat nyoni nyendo.
Of course every business or every company, every client would love to find it when it's clean.
Abakozi abandi baija ma business oba wherever nibenda competition na ba boss ba kolo mu school like Nigeria tukaba na salon muntu nakibaza mu school gwa kurubata akora buli hamu
bata kwikara Emirimo
because agirekizi kya competition
naenda kwerega muri
akwenda kwekika mu boss akozere no can score njwale ka top kama views collection yako kajwali. Okay,
but let's itwena bakatukozesa personally nyo bakankozesa ngiya kubaza ba boss bange but wherever they abakankozesa and I didn't have those things in competing and anyway ntakolere muntu personal mbu individual.
It was a company,
it was a big company. But ngamba muna abantu abakolera abantu bojeleka boss wao asigala ali boss wao ogenda kwesanga kwenda buli muntu abakubarora boss we bamuletera some food at work babiki na kwenda babimuletere at the end of the day ogenda no yebwe kozereke
ekikulese no rugaha muramwa
advising I think akana kakunkolera kama zile senior 6 she's a very
good girl and very humble.
Muntu ali too humble and inkarani mugamba you know what kore center zao no manya you're going to university.
Exactly.
Like don't be like
upkeep ka hostel ako
batamudupa baita baisikiba by the way ababikira muno kubala bisikibi tasomere obubija mutawuno bimanyire
bantu I feel like tagging someone.
Please tag honey. Tell me the name honey, I'll tag, no worries.
Like
tell me the name honey, I'm gonna expose whoever it is. Tell me the name honey. Hey, I'm going to read her name.
Nyokine kintu.
Ekiski there kinu kimanyoka kinyumiza hoyira.
Abantu abatasomera.
Kantopinga kantu.
Baso yemera ale nagaruke mwabaza.
Wena yeforanga bokubaika ile muno ha business. Amazire myaka 10 nongenda haiguru. Hati buli kimu kiona akimanyire balesero mukozi muhyako kwefora niwe
kumukengera kumbe kunawe oli mukozi adiza kuzada mugaiga kuchujja kuchuchumura kabina kawo.
Exactly. Hati na nyobu ndagenda hantu malinka sanga yakali mu malinda ku recommend.
You cannot already you have misunderstanding with her. You understand?
Kandi baba abantu abatwa orugambo zungu.
Umabossi. Baikala nibenulisiriza.
Nibenda kuba in good books of their bosses.
Yet they are the worst guys by the way. Look bad. They are tarnishing your names like Aleni, Aikala Vivis collection, Allen, Akukara Kitara TV. Why don't you mind your business? You thinking spelling Allen's name, wait, if you think you're spelling Allen's name in front of her boss, that boss will not chase her because Allen at the end of the day clients are like, can I speak to Allen? I'm here because of Allen. So you understand? So Allen has a great impact on her boss's company. So Mutsikiwe was sorting, I don't want to expose your name because I know you. And you know me, I don't give a fuck. I'll expose you. They know. For us, we've been knowing. Yeah. Yes, we've been knowing. We know our workers. You weigh and sit and, you know, you sit and weigh and, you know, Allen is doing this. This month I've made some sales because of this. You know, we know abana batukolera sente.
So, kimbaini nyenda handi kuongereza especially abaisika bali no my business again baitu nja kutwala muno hotel industry abakuba ni honkora. Hotel industry ni haija buli kandi yo musaija. Onu nakukwana oli nakwana noli nakwana kyonka kwenda bajukiza baisikinyo tinga abasajja bani bakukwana muno tikiba kitakumanyisa ngo
okunura muno no okunura muno someone other thinks they are too sweet.
Hatino izira nola kukwane no
nanuraki Julius kugambire okura no mukene obuguba omukene tibaguterera karangu
exactly
but abantu benga basinga kuli omukene ndo kwato mukene me myself as an example I eat mukene those small fishes those small fish mbukwata ni mbuchumba ni mutekamo ikinyobwa ni mbulise kitakuli mukene tugweterera karangu hati who told you mbu Who told you okunura muno men sleeping with you ngo okunura muno? You're lying yourselves. Men want to come and check what is there and go. Who told you?
Abana balachumba bunura.
Abana abakuchumba bunura it is okay bali yo me I don't deny. Oraba ino bunuzi bwawe niwo manyire.
Still aliyo kiri.
Kandi yo
kusanga ni batunde nyanya ze bibiri hali kitumo nondi nasitunda mitwaro ebiri ogenda noguranka
eze bibiri
kikwolekya
nyonkugura ze ebiri me I go always going for you know I always going for quality I don't do quantity I do quality ati nonkolekeze mbu no amanya bakinki kuolekeze mukene nobukene bwayo omuntu akuleka henchwe enkoto empute engege nagura mukene why ngo mukene henchwe enkoto obe empute obe engege nobo bahali marketing yonka but omuntu nagireka ninge nani ngura mukene habwaki you don't need to prove a point bunuraki no lioko no matter kandi akikumpuniriza abakunura abo nibo bala street barani machumbo bunura
biri gonzali y'abasaija oli nagabeje kisaje kyukasakiyeza
otandikire
kichumba bunura
kandi kasaine kisaje kichumba bunura
wow for sure
of course that is part and parcel of you know making this show kunyumira bino nibyo bibanyumira nibyo muenda so nyowe back to the point of Abakozi about employing a business let me give my view about that
Ego.
Like nyowe mbaze out of my experience for the 4 years I've been into business. Nyowe I've used a couple of girls by the when you're street banyitana mukozi wa malaya of which I don't care. You're not going to call me a prostitute of workers. Yet it is my money, you know. I fight so hard to say I get something on table. Komu binga kana kumanyira.
Nkamwe mulimo lero nyenkanya mubingo bwiro bo wenyi.
Azungira ke lyona ginywa nagi maziri. So hard to me, abana baisiki I want to tell you one thing. Nyote ngena kuikaza business yange ozimbagata ine nyiziro kunzimura. I mean I'm your boss. I am paying you girl. So you should understand your limits. Abaisiki Abakozi mumanye limits zanyu. Mumanye I am working for Vivi mukozi mukama wange. Iwo oli mukozi. You understand? Yo. Obutuku bantu seka let time for laughing be time for laughing. If it's business, I don't want to find a shortage in my business. I don't want to hear a complaint from my client. Me I will chase your hours out of my business, girl. Exactly. So abaisiki to me let you know your limits.
Nekifura akikuya.
Kandi nyowe guno maka ndi movie hey, when the time comes for revenge, I will now deal with one. Another one is coming. There is one I'm going to deal with. You understand? When the right time comes, I will deal with you. Anyway. Back to the business. Abaisiki know your limits. If it is business, let it be business. Kandi abakozi yakabiri muziro rugambo. You guys we know rugambo. You talk a lot. I've seen an incidents like musiko nyabingire haduka yange. Yaenda kuntabra na neighbor wange, but because nkubingire you're not going to do trash at my shop and I accommodate your ass. I'll kick your ass out. Hati mazire kubinga okuteka hembe kwenda kuntabra na neighbor wange Vivi, why wouldn't you tell the neighbor when I was still employing you? Why would I be a bad boss after chasing your ass? So abakozi nyinanya batukubingaga, you need to style up. And forgetting you guys are going to go to nkaba business owners who still sit on table and fix things. So abakozi know your limits. Orugambo ati banu bana batwina banu orugira tubire flash obire bunu okumusanga soreze akediyona ali murugambo mukama wange ali nakase ali aikanagena kabalega ali na aleni bulikaye bakamutetinga delivery. You should mind your businesses by the orugambo rukange leka muri magube mulimo nyoti nkondo orugambo, and I am sure bosses outside there you can testify. Abakozi mubayina baito mukozi nakutabura n'abaneiba bona omukozi obibalize hanu bibalizanko bugamba mukozi okumuhana arutwire muonu abakozi obugambo nebyo tabalize sabakozi. If you want to stay in harmony with your boss, leko rugambo rukange mukange orugambo
batro rugambo rutabura obo mu maka
everywhere. It is everywhere.
Lero mbanywani
lekanda banywani twina bayuda biro binu twina abayuda
tubamanyira jasirwa kutulera bukirera
akabatumazira
twina abayuda banywani babi ati nyino omwana ombayiri nyamba na tauni mwana. I feel pity for you tungana njja kumurabya mu egali tinkaba ekira kamanze malema kadawati kanisanyiga ngaruke nyine irakalungi ingenda kurabya mu egali. You don't fuck around with me like that man. I've helped you from nowhere to somewhere. You also want to fuck around with me. I've given you some backup. No, you don't even appreciate Abayuda. By the way, we are being with people and people not appreciating our energy. I literally feel like we should stop helping people. We should stop being good to people. By the way, I've learned Engombe Gamba in the movie. Let me be bad, man, because being good has not helped me anything. I am bad. Yeah? You don't even understand what people want. So another point back to the issue of workers. To me, workers learn to obey your boss's terms and conditions. If I've told you I want you at 8 p.m., I mean at 8 a.m. or 7:30 a.m., and I want you to leave at 10. I'm your boss and I have reasons.
Why?
You understand? You're supposed to leave saha ina 0 ekiro. I have reasons. So hati wokunyolekia mbogya kuja saha isanu. Girl, this is not your company. Ngena kukubinga mwikale mugamba vivita ikazaba cause. Which is okay. You understand? You know. Nekintu ekindi abakozi okubasanga bezire tubahaire Emirimo baitu akwenda obanza kumuragira kore kya inakora. You understand Allen?
Bako batakwenda akora. Oikiriza no gamba.
Nyoni kyokora nyino munyana wange wa Esther LBSC. Abakozi bakamanya mutabuteresi Esther nkwenda abakozi nkajua he nako ni muhesete nandangira abakozi alibati. Abakozi you want me to tell you ngukilininga hanu engo izini zijure chuchu zicleaning edukeira guire you want me to tell you this. What pays you? Kiki kusasura. Kikusasura kiri kuikara buikara muduka.
Kanne kinte ken Vivian abakozi abo nyini kumanyira ba customer.
Yes. Kwena kumanyira ba customer. Onu customer ni wako ekikomiki okulia.
Best customer banaseka nawe aramumanyira.
Amutahire geira. Kandi no yebwa natakana okugenya na customer yebe customer ono akakusanga nawe. Ene nkore kutugenya na customer betusange na yekangi.
Baita kagambe jero rweru watwairo
otanyume akana kudupa budupa okyetegereize. Ewigi hatiko no muojo akagena kungamange wigi wamperengi.
Go.
You can imagine. Tunakana no kasasira chali. Kaina interest to rent kabe nakuika kuzirwana. I don't want to be a depression in your life.
So about harugambo mbakozi borabo boine nanka for example Julius Kyaleraizire nono. Kyakabiri
tukuleta abasaija business. Nimu ikara rugambo n'omuntu bali abasaija. Enyeza business zanyi.
Weno yekambiro mbakozi but wewe watahamala.
Tutugaba nywani basaija.
Ngirabo Uganda. Bojo. Omuntu nyinukire agambire kankutwala omu.
Ekudropping owo. Tubanze tukole mu Rugam tunyumizo. We have friends and you know this is the location we have. I have an address. Omunywani wange ajja kulika gambe Vivi kanjija otunyumye. Vivian bulikira tabasajja bahiyaka. What is this guys?
Yeah? So abakozi mu
Orugambo baruzize barukangie.
Bantu nyo muntu worugamba isano musuma.
Naikara nasi. No busuma. We need to talk about obusuma. Abakozi bakwiba mu kampuni zaitu. Kuya nyoro angabe mna kanyamba. Ngafuna the good girl. The time I've had my hajati, by the way, Iskika Jaura. Thank you for being a good worker, Muski Wangi Hajaura. You are a good worker. I really appreciate. For the time I've been with her, I don't find shortage in her. Even if I take like a week in the balancing, this girl, she's trustworthy in my business. Actually, she appreciates Hajaura. Thank you for being a good worker, and I promise to be a good boss to you. Ngana nakuongera Kasara, mwana wangu nkolera. Kandi she works hard, you know. She makes money for me. Regardless, I gamba ogo Vivi, abinga bakozi bambi. This girl knows what she wants. My girl. And when I'm rude, she knows I am rude. She will totally start crying about this and this aunt. She's like a good girl by the way. So, obakuba ino mukozi wena ata ina mungeso binga manyangeso binga manyarugambo busuma aganda kuiba business egwe. By the way, there's this I saw omukikubo kyaitu hali aromwisiki akabanakolera one of my neighbors omwisikia iba neighbor wange yatandika na boutique endi okumanya abana tibaina kisa nyo ogenda kuunyiba oliyegenda kwekanga no gukulese gotakiyagurora bait Julius okajiko musikola yanyibira otwakuwasiti posting omwisiki cafe by that given my girl off omwisiki nkaba ngenzere opposite eduka nyatire eduka mu mugongo omwisiki atamuduka nkamantere sente musefu ntakazi banki zikamitwara atano omanyiro omwisiki wawe ntakabayire haro omwisiki na customer yaija atoka somo byayizire hata ngamba kandura nikoraki ningenda eduka ngitero mugongo yana musefu ngatagisibire akutegeza ite tutina magezi akamera twinaho kamera za kyombeko kyaitu akatamanya kamera koraki kamera kumurora ate kamera bene murora atakatamanya kamera kumurora ngenda musefu akabamu sibe sefu kisomuzo nkireke bya sefu yabe mtwaraga
atano
baito kumenya nguvivinyi na amani omusika kanyiba sazi kaba mukaga nyakwata video nyagita isura nyagiha Julius soketeka Facebook nyonya taisura video abantu bakipostinga vairo omusika kanyiba saa mukaga saa 10 kana ntele mtwarana akaseza wenke namba yange kunterere simu by that time kabanke engere iba mulinga akora flow beto mulingo nyina ali cleaner wairwaro manya kigorobya nkawoza information empikiro ho people would call me Vivyo ngumanyira latina ati Vivyo go Julius agenda posting a video a Facebook Julius nine amani by the Kitara ne brand ati buli muntu bakumesinga na nyowe ogenda kuba ibide kintu kiyamani ngenda kukuanika okulabulinka kuwanika ntakabe kufoka the Kitara girls ati lero kandi bwire bono
bakwanika no mudo okolimba
naifuro
na abanya bakoza batwina bakutwiba ati for example hakabalega hanu nyizire ndire mitwaro nkebiri nogamba ndire mitwaro 5 haba kinotera director ruseke ege nkora teri nungi leka bundandire mitwaro 2 kabe mitwaro 2 leka kusoma ko baguze kiteteke mitwaro 5 leka kibe mitwaro 5 leka kumongera mu 15 abakogana kuzipocketinga
gambe kindi ewigi teri ye mtwara 25 na mugaba mitwara 3 customer na ganyi na 25
na kulemesa sente kile no sanga sales ziri mu business
na yangira kimu
no sanga kile kitokozere
na gamanyi 28 niyo las akwenda kumuha
ekiyesati chongo kumusasura
but ensuring cameras zinu ba
yo camera kyo mukati ziri very by the way to live very safe it
customer bagarukani batuterera akwa yo camera tegenda kumanya mbona lemesebwa habwese kamera tegya kwata voice baitu hati na bakastoma bagarukani batuganda bire yoko kasa
mbanyenda ka wigi kali ukanga mebitwara 25 bwe musikia yangire ata bakinta kuchapa empi
kubinga mbuki obufunira muntu akakuyama mudoko oli mbukandi yagukuya
lero mubaineki nyino sikaiza kufuki ya kifuro I always revenge you in the right time
nyonye nkali safe mutawu
okay tegere easy. But anyway, we are not bad people. These people provoke us. Me, those who know me, who are around me, know how good I am. Yes, so if you keep provoking me, you're killing a brand I have. These are the girls we found in town. You understand? She was among the first girls that were himbiri iPhones. You understand? But you've not achieved anything for yourself. Ekyani kiyomanyire oli kujwara bujwara kuja mungoyo kajwara engoyi. You understand? Banga mbino kungamba ina iPhone akusaswaga emitwalo 5 buli mwezi. Akehora iPhone. Obwire bukayika omanye life, you know this life, you know you go high, you go down, you go high. So I understand iPhone embaka gimuba mu bar. So apparently iPhone yaina kagenda yagiehura. Yaye ya mabuli mwezi kusaswa emitwalo aga. Hati okay yes okay aseruza sente zokusasura iPhone okulepuka na nyo vivi. Aina businesses. Akusasura mutauni rent we milioni 10 buli mwaka.
iPhone ibagenda kuibe ogwa kabiro takagimata.
Exactly. Kyalo kama atyo kwa sente zinu otanikeka online business otanikeka kutunda obukaito. You know, okuyasasura iPhone okustruggling na iPhone.
Kandi nkaikuru.
Bajo musikiona by the way I was told musikiona faking obwomezi. Wanda ika faking obwomezi. Weno hoiro kuisana ka skeleton. What is the problem? You know this life, mugana nimweteka mu mberezi mtakusobora kati. Let us be realistic.
Anti-competition.
You want competition.
I know.
Nimweteka mu mberezi mtakusobora ngabo kuba ito tuzirimo. Ito tukora. And on top of that we have supportive partners.
Exactly.
We have supportive
Even
men.
Prayer,
We are
even mom's
yes,
and
my mother is a
prayers.
pastor. Thank you. My mother, I had even forget my mom.
Babanti nyo mfunena abanywana baba yamba.
Twina hana banyo enough.
Sa kufuba nekizibu ke mtwara atanu Vivian atazintaire mu dani.
Exactly.
Oba mfune abe nekizibu ntamuyambi.
Exactly.
Mwikara na banywani boruga.
Borugambo kuhesa competition kathako zene neno kanyo azikole. Me I have a friend of mine, director Kabale Gono. Nikyo katwa platform man. This guy is a friend of mine. We've been together for like 4 years, 4 to 5 years. But director Kabale is a parent, he's a friend. You know, inyo mugenda musade bigambo byanyu by this guy. Me I have a friend, Musaija Mulungi muno.
Manyiraro abantu abanywana just because of Borugambo.
Yes.
Common enemy.
Yes.
Obahurambo katono mwiskita muenda.
Kampala niro.
Olo mwiski harana kathi. Nagena na mnywana nuko bampara.
Baku beefing. They are beefing Kathy who has a business, who has a supportive man, who has friends who are going to come out and help her. You understand? So, abaisiki tuenge mbali mbaza kikiru kikuolekia, tuwege kunywana abanywana bakusa kutiyamba. You understand? Obutwakuba ebunywani, twakwetwa shooting esho na Kabalega. But because I created a bonding and a friendship with Kabalega family, you understand? So we are here. You see where the friendship, the benefits of friendship. To la Kabalega, you know, we are enjoying the services. Unlike you there, who have fake friends all the time, Bakuba Hema, Bakuba Kena, Bakuba Roga. You guys, let's learn to get development of friends. Let's value the friendship. You know, we didn't know this story by the way. We didn't know your stories.
Kambaze okanu. Aro mwisiki yakora mtown now. Tinja kubaze ibara. Omisiko nkagena nyagura yekintu. Actually nkagura ebintu worth 100,000.
Kandale no ogula.
Then omwisiko ndi yampabuza kinu na kinu kirikito okozisaki nyakwate nyamusindikire namu. Omwisiko unyasindikira akagarukana nga mwana engenzerege nyagura yebintu. Kyonko omwisiko unsindi
unsangire oboso bomukozi.
Oboso wenyine ataterene simu kungamba leni webale kunsindikiro customer akuze bintu bya mitwaro 10.
You can imagine
obu yansangire omumuhanda omwisiko mwana atanda muki.
Gamruhanga.
I swear. Nyagama msikakanuvira. Nyagama ndakwataga ningena nimbitumisa Kampala.
Nyora bimpaka nimbikuletera nyo business nyota muyiribi. No bakubera kwene kiyokwena takisobora nja kireta. Kwaha no akasasa akusindika soma guze ebintu bemtwara 2 plus Julius. Not even saying a call or a text symbol thank you. No Julius mbana bakasoma nisanga soma ngu 0. But if you find me at the shop Julius, I have customer care. I appreciate my customers. I know what they mean in my life. You know they are my bosses. They're the reason as to why I'm still on a main. So these guys deserves to be appreciated. You understand? So Nyowe saying thank you so much and for supporting me. It doesn't cost me anything. Saying Kathy, thank you for the customer you sent me. It doesn't cost me anything. Tuwege ku appreciating omanyembo. Alani bakwa kale wakuba tasindike customer ogwo. Ege mtwara abirago. Yakwa yakagaina.
Gana gayanka.
Kandi alena abihirwe. Alena kuramika kubaza. Omanyale no nyonka muwega. Okuramika kubaza. Kibani kimuruma. She's a victim.
Muranga bantu nyenka sasa na hatinki baza.
Hadi nyokurora sometimes ntera Kabalega hanu like people of course people know I mean in limelight ya Kabalega resort. Mutu na ntera ngamba vivi kwenda kitina Kabalega can I do this and this. Nintera direct oba nintera Abakozi hanu because mostly oba masindo ba hoima I have their numbers. nimbatera ningamba haro customer kwenda bookings aruge Kampala kwenda ziti mumuhoro ka discount kati oba kwenda kiti and he will come in a client but the director will come in agamba award thank you client muboine the girls will call you a reception over the managers and agamba Vivi thank you for what you've done they appreciate if these big people can appreciate with the big companies what about you rat how about you rat
nkabandugira at a certain hotel omusajja yanterere simu yangamba I want you to book for me a room at that hotel Vivian nkabanta sobola gamba tinki akorayo
you had all the rights of saying okay you quitted the work
nkakwata nyaterera director nyamugamba this and this they reserve this room
tegereze
hali kinu byao
so to winding up the show of course nkwenda kubayijukiza buli kiasa bit sai 11 muteba ku subscribing ku following a YouTube channel yaitu the Kitara Girls mwebale kutugonza mwebale ku followinga mwebale kutugoleki engonzezo business tukaziboyine by the way I have some business coming on board this guy he's a mayor city of Gulu Brian Wamundete ile guy ni isomero akona tukenda shooting isomero liyaye Gulu I think it's a secondary school I've forgotten the name so Kairo kona Gulu we are coming Gulu people we are coming in your town the Kitara Girls so if the Gulu people can give us business abanyoro muleke mitime mbi mutwe business oba busente butito muno butukubasaba you not bugenda kutugaigahaza muno of course nabo kutugaigahaza baitu omuntu werugurana to have business ekandi omuntu wa ground because you guys all need us by the way so ngati muko na kutoa business mujja kutekeza tugenda kugaigahala tukubakire hali lya banyore ne iko
kwenda gama tukwikara kubara bya megali
tutukubara bya by the way we are doing businesses era anytime we are going to Gulu the Gulu city the mayor of Gulu city I met him with Brian Mayor and we had to discuss on the terms and conditions so anytime he's going to cater for transport he's going to give us the money before we go to Gulu and actually there's another business coming on board this guy in a hotel ya kuombeka katasi yaho I've forgotten the name so akagabana ngamba tugenda Brian tugichecking out akwena nabo yes so gona waki kutuha business abantu bakutuha business baiti woli hanu ofundure lisi tokwenda kutuha mukutusiga obusa omukutekeza turagaigahara buligo turagaigali asante zanyi anyway thank you for seeing us thank you for viewing we can't thank you so much let me say hello to my mother my family I've never said hello since ever we started this show webale muno mama wanga atoki Pastor Maggie I love you so much mama you know what you mean in my life you are my world webale kungonza webale kunsabira because of your prayers mom I am succeeding webale kuta ruhanga kundinde because I don't know how life could be without you mama I love you so much my dad my siblings Marvin Mavis Martha Emma Felix and my kids I love you so much Daniel and Daxton
mwebale muno nyokusima abantu ba masindi abantu bomuka munyendeze muntoize ndi mwananyu wa masindi mwebale kungonza abantu ba bigando munyendeze mwebale muno kutumiraho mami wange webale munamoti kunsabira moto wange nkwenda muno my favorite sister boli wange lero byawe tingamba aboli wange nakana kaitwa kahyaka kawaneira nako ninkatumira mwebale kutugonza mwebale kutsupportinga abantu ba masindi kama support your own muje mutupportinga itwena bana bo
nakabalega bagamba bagiye ya masindi
nakabalega masindi by the way mugende supporting kabalega masindi nayo nungi muno lero kandi nanka yaba accommodation buli tukaba
kabalega ngiyagaruka yo ngena kuhumura for Easter nyiragenda masindi santa masindi kuba nanyo Easter Allen
so mwebale muno kutugonza abantu inywe nyoje zinkagenda kuvida my brother
Satito
everyone was like
we are celebs I was at Maranatha on Saturday
people are recognizing the voice
I know
Tiniwa Allen
Allen ayefura zampara nkakabeba
people are saying that I look different on social media and in real life
but it is you
that's on real life I be very tall
but you're seated you are tall
Baida no mkaza nanka utwa mitingira nanka abanishe bakakinga menga kate you look so different
really
in fact kamera zinu zikutubihiza
hati producer bine bitu byo kutufora babi tujagizire show ya Kitara Girls ogyokolere
samrenanga yagama mu real life you're too pretty
ene show tujagikulekera produce
I want to thank also my family Musaikinta Kigaza mama and Vivian family yawe ne
mama wanga ikanagamba okwato bwire bwa Kitara Girls I know my family is so proud of me.
My parents, I want to thank my aunt Robina.
Nyaka isiki.
nywe tinkumanya no kumanya that lady has been there for me in terms of employment. There are times I feel like I want to give up. I call her ngaruka nyina na amani gokora. Thank you so much.
Allen is a cry baby. Nyo ijwezi nkaba ijwezi ndi mara nafanyize ku visiting mutabani wange. Some parent I think akatura tutahamu so to parkinga we got out of the car nyagenda to see my son in a class he's in Pito. Hata muzairomo I think nkamuraba had administration block. I didn't see her like you know. So she came in the class. I'm like, hello, I want to give you a hug. Thank you for being a celeb. Thank you for the show. I was like, oh, this is so warm.
So
no, Central Market people like they recognize us. You know, people, you guys have really showed us, man. Mutuendeze na bakutaka kutuenda muliyo kandi ninyo abatito mwine bizibu. We don't even care. They are love. I know. Okay, thank you for loving, thank you for subscribing. Bulikia sabitsa haikomi nemu. Don't forget to follow, subscribe. We are the Kitara Girls. Thank you so much. Bye.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.